Right. So they say that you're just a child and they just want you to apologize to their mom. That's all they want.
Yes.
And they said that's all they wanted from the beginning. They don't want you to go to jail. They want you to have probation. So
Court is calling
this is what the court is
2024
gonna do. CR 012063, State versus Domingo Javier Villa. Could I have parties?
Andrew Harris Animan from the state.
Her name is for the defendant, Mr. Villa.
And you're Mr. Villa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea on April 21st of no contest. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. A PSI was ordered. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI and TAP evaluation?
Yes, Judge.
We have, Your Honor.
Any objections to the PSI or TAP evaluation, state?
No.
Defense, any objections?
None.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We've reviewed the PSI and I know that they marked that the defendant has minimized guilt. Mr. Villa, in his statement, I don't think he's minimized guilt. He did accept responsibility. He realizes that the actions he took, including leaving his property, kind of removed any self-defense he could have alleged. And that's why he accepted responsibility for this. He is expecting his first child. His girlfriend is scheduled to be induced this evening at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. That'll be his first child. They're expecting a little girl. He does have gainful employment. His employer does do random UAs, not to suggest that the court doesn't need to do their own safeguards, but that is also one of the reasons why he has not used any marijuana or THC in the past year. This offense occurred when he was just over 18. We believe this is going to be an excellent opportunity for him to take something from this, learn something going forward, and we think he'll be a good candidate for deferred.
Okay. Anything you wish to say?
No.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work at the kitchen in the Windland Foods. I'm the mix prep. I mix vegetables for the mix sauces.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of vegetables? I'm
Oh,
always interested.
jalapenos, onions, and all that. Just mainly that fresh vegetables like tomatoes and all that's from someone else.
Right.
And spice kits, all the spice.
I always have an intention to do that myself instead of buying it. It never works out. So what are your plans to do for the rest of your life? I see that you completed high school. So what is your dream job? What do you want to do?
Oh, I would like to stay here and become bigger there, supervisor and all that stuff. I want to have my family, my beautiful family, and support them and be a good man for my family.
All right. And these people that you were having issues with, are you still living in the same place?
Oh,
Are you moved?
yeah, I moved away, but I mean, they still live there. But just to know that we passed like nothing.
All right. And so do you have any occasion to go over there? There's no reason to be over there?
Yeah, just to go wash clothes at my mom's house and stuff. I mean,
Oh.
nothing happens. We just
They live about 3 houses away, his mother and the complaining witness,
All right.
and his grandparents.
yes, ma'am. My grandparents
Okay.
next to me.
All right. So they say that you're just a child and they just want you to apologize to their mom. That's all they want.
Yes.
And they said that's all they wanted from the beginning. They don't want you to go to jail. They want you to have probation. So this is what the court is going to do. And state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. They're always great when you're expecting.
Thank you.
So I'm going to deduct 50 hours once he completes the parenting classes. The other 50 hours, there's going to be a letter of apology that you need to write to their mom.
Okay.
And once you've done that letter, then your community service hours will, another 50 hours will be deducted from your community service hours. Because sometimes with letters of apology and apologizing to people, sometimes you're not in the wrong, right? But then just apologizing cools down temperatures and then everybody is fine.
Okay. Sounds good.
So I'm going to order that
Yes.
because that's what they say that they want.
And Your Honor, that's to be turned into probation?
Yes.
To the family directly?
Yes.
Thank you.
There is to be no contact with Nicholas Rodriguez or Romero Rodriguez. There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, probation. Is there anything else you would recommend? Thank you. Let's do field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to help you?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there is an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court and address it with me. What I can tell you is when you have children on the horizon, first off, the grandparents are going to be very excited. They may want to be overly involved, but let them be, because you'll need some help. And sometimes it can get stressful. And because you are doing probation, and it seems like it's a lot, if it gets too overwhelming, just let your probation officer know. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just remain in the courtroom and probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you.
All right, good
Well, I
luck.
don't know if it's important for the court's file, but he does work nights at this job that he works, so.
Okay.
Reporting in the morning during the day, he'll do his best to get there on time. He always shows up to court on time, but just, he does work nights.
2 to 10 p.m.
All right, be sure to let probation know about that, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
The worst thing you can do on this probation, of course, other than picking up a new offense, is to not report. And you need to report, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sounds good.
All right, thank
Thank you,
you.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 012063 State versus Domingo Javier Villa. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Eric Hernandez for the defendant, Mr. Villa.
And are you Mr. Villa? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Domingo Javier Villa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 012063 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on June 3rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state?
Yes, violation of condition number 1 on or about 5th day of April 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Domingo Javier Villa committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Huh?
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? All right, court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There it is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is to deny the MTR and continue this defendant on probation, but add a no contact order with the complainant in the new number 1 case, except for child exchanges to go through a third party, and then to add the bid course.
All right, so what is happening with this number 1? What is this about?
Your Honor, the facts of the case.
Yes.
The facts of the case is they were at a child exchange, and this defendant and our complainant got into an argument. This defendant closed the door on our complainant plus complaint.
When you say close the door, you're talking about a car door?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what, was she in a vehicle and he slammed her door, or was he in his vehicle and he slammed his door?
Sure, which vehicle they were in. It seems that this defendant was getting the diaper bag as well as the child out of our complainant's vehicle and slammed the car door.
Your Honor, it was at the end of the visitation and he was placing the child in the car.
Okay.
There was some facts that I won't get into because I don't believe we're going to be taking that case to trial, but there was some frustration with the condition that the mother's family arrived in. Out of frustration, he hit the door. It struck her. He was not trying to hurt her. Was it negligent and reckless under the code? That would be a question for a jury, but quite possibly. But it was at the end of the visitation. He was placing the child in. emotions got the better of him. He hit the door, was not trying to injure the mother, but she may have been harmed in the process.
All right. So did she have to go to the doctor?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor.
Okay, then the court will find violation. I'm sorry, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor. We'll wait.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. Court would deny the motion. All right, good luck to you.